Hi, this is Vinay Kumar Maurya, and we are going to start our new topic, Class 9 Biology topic, Animal Tissue, and the subtopic is Connective Tissue. In this, we are going to see about many more connective tissue, that is blood, bone, cartilages, tendons, ligaments, areolar tissue, adipose tissue, and many more. Now we are going to start our topic, that is connective tissue, in detail. So study it clearly because this is also very important. Now we are going to start our next topic, connective tissue. The cells of connective tissue are loosely packed. They contain intercellular space between them. They are embedded in an intercellular matrix. The matrix may be gel-like, fluid, dense, or rigid. The nature of matrix differs in concordance with the function of the particular connective tissue. Here are some diagrams given for the following connective tissue. So please go through it. That is adipose tissue, areolar tissue, compact bone, blood, etc. Here are some examples of connective tissue, that is loose connective tissue under the skin, fibrous connective tissue forming a ligament, cartilage at the end of the bone, bone which makes the framework of the body, blood which helps in transportation of things, and adipose tissue helps in the cell for the insulation purpose. So these are some examples of connective tissue which are found in the body and are important for us to be present in the body and helps in vital functions. Our next topic is blood. Blood has a fluid liquid matrix called plasma, in which RBCs, red blood cells, WBCs, white blood cells, and platelets are suspended. The plasma contains proteins, salts, and hormones. Functions of blood: it flows and transports gases, digested food, hormones, and waste material to different parts of the body. Here are some examples of different types of blood cells, that is neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, lymphocyte, monocyte, platelets, RBCs, WBCs, and many more. Bone: it forms the framework of the body that supports the body. It also anchors the muscles and supports the main organs of the body. It is a strong and non-flexible tissue. Bone cells are embedded in hard matrix that is composed of a calcium and phosphorus compounds. Here the C diagram, which is mentioned here, shows the bone structure, and D diagram shows the cartilage, which we are going to learn in the next slides. Now we are going to start our next topic, tendons and ligaments. Tendons: it connects bone to muscles. Tendons are fibrous tissue with great strength but limited flexibility. The tendons joins bones to muscles, as you can see here, in the place where our bone meets with each other, and the muscles join to the bone. It is found in our biceps and triceps, because in the biceps triceps the muscles are joined to the bone. So here this bony attachment is found where the tendons play an important role. Now we are going to see ligaments. It connects two bones with each other. This is very elastic. It has a considerable strength. It contains very little matrix. Here considerable strength means if we are not taking proper care, the bone may break or they can move from their places. And here we can take example of your shoulders, our knee, where these ligaments are found. Our next topic is cartilage. It is having a widely spaced cell. The matrix is composed of proteins and sugars. Cartilages smoothens bone surface at the joints. It is also present in nose, ear, trachea, and larynx. We can fold the cartilage. As we are seeing in daily examples, our nose can be bent, our ear can be bent, so here cartilage are found. The D example which is mentioned here shows the cartilage. We can see in the diagram only that the hyaline matrix is fully empty and they have large spaces between them. Areolar tissue. It is found between the skin and muscles, around blood vessels and nerves in bone marrow. It fills the space inside the organs. It supports the internal organs. It also helps in the repair of tissue. So we can also show the means we can also call it as the doctor of the tissue. Here is the following reference image for the areolar tissue. Go through it. If you have any problem regarding that, write in the comment box. Our last and next topic is adipose tissue. Fat storing adipose tissue is found below the skin and between internal organs. The cells of this tissue are filled with the fat globules. The storage of fats also helps in to act it as an insulator. Here is the following reference image. So go through it, and if you don't understand anything, write in the comment box.